Nababahala ang ilang eksperto sa dumaraming bilang ng kabataang na biktima ng cyber harassment nitong pandemya.
Ayon sa PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group, halos 300 cybercrime campaigns ang kanilang nakausap.
The COVID-19 pandemic, but there are times when conversations in their group chat turn to insults.
What did I learn about the relationship between science, technology, and society through this project? So, I learned that technology can both harm and help society. While cyberbullying shows the negative side of technology, science and education give us the tools to use the internet responsibly and create a safer digital world for everyone.
I learned that science, technology, and society are closely connected. Science helps us understand the world. Technology applies that knowledge to solve problems, and society benefits from this advancement. They influence each other and work together to improve our daily lives and the environment.
What I've learned about science, technology, and society about our topic, which is the cyberbullying. Technology be the can be the happiness of everyone, but sometimes it will affect to a person that decrease our health, mental health as teenagers. I've learned na I don't use the social media just to show up their real needs. Learn that mas okay na yung ikaw lang nakakaalam. Mas okay na yung private ka kaysa sa alam ng iba na hindi mo alam na nakaka-protect sa'yo. That's all. Thank you.
Francis Arellano nga po pala. Interviewee po. May laking kabahan. Have you or someone you know ever experienced cyberbullying? My answer is yes po. What actions do you take to protect yourself online? I protect myself by keeping my accounts private and avoiding sharing personal information online. What do you think schools and families can do to stop cyberbullying? Schools and families can stop cyberbullying by teaching respect, monitoring online behavior, and supporting victims. Sige, bye-bye.